Kids giggle, shoes have fun. Stay inside, lock the door tight. Don't let strangers in. All right. The wolf and the 7 little goats peek from the window, count their coats. Are you a friend or are you sly? We'll keep the door closed. Nice try! Nice try! Big gray wolf with a tricky grin softens his voice, may I come in? Kids hear claws on the hard old floor. Sounds kind of scary, not our ma for sure.